Yo, what up, it's your girl LaQuisha. LaQuisha. Yeah. I'm just chilling, chilling in my room. Listening to my boy, Chris Brown. Chris Brown. You know, I'm waiting for my girl, Kim. Kim. Over there, cursing her white ass off. She's gonna do my hair and braids. Get my weave on. My weave on. Make me more black. Make me more black. You know how it is. Oh yeah, just chilling, hanging out, Gotta get my weave on, Chris Brown. Uh, you know how it is. Well, I'll catch y'all later. Peace and blessings. Peace and blessings.